In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo. Creating an effective newsletter can be a pivotal element in your digital marketing strategy, particularly for keeping your audience engaged and informed about your brand's latest news and offers. Today we're diving into how to craft a newsletter using Klaviyo, a powerful email marketing tool that offers personalized automated communications to your subscribers. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to access your Klaviyo account. Simply go to the Klaviyo website and find the login section. Here you'll enter your email address and password. If you haven't already set up an account, take a moment to do so. Signing up is quick and leads you right to the platform's dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, your starting point will be the Klaviyo dashboard. This home base is where your journey begins. From the dashboard, look for the campaign section. It's pretty straightforward to find. It's your gateway to initiating any new email marketing campaigns, including newsletters. Upon clicking on campaigns, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, Klaviyo tempts you with a button labeled Create Campaign. Click on that. It's the first real step into turning your newsletter idea into reality. You'll then be prompted to give your campaign a name. Choose something that is indicative of your newsletter's content or purpose, making it easier to track its performance later on. After naming your campaign, proceed by clicking on Continue. The next vital step involves selecting who will receive your newsletter. Klaviyo allows you to choose from existing lists and segments. If you haven't already created a list of subscribers, you may need to take a detour to do that. For now, let's assume you have a list ready. Go ahead and select it. Then with your audience pinpointed, click Next. Now you're getting to the fun part, crafting the content. You'll begin by deciding on a catchy subject line. This is crucial as it's often the first thing your subscribers will see in their inbox. A good subject line can make the difference between your email being opened or ignored. Once you've typed in your winning subject line, the next step is to create blank email. This is where your creativity comes into play. Klaviyo offers a robust email editor packed with features to customize your newsletter. However, before you dive into design and text, let's add something special. Click on Product. Here you have the option to create product feed. This feature is incredibly useful for e-commerce businesses wishing to automatically insert products into the newsletter. After clicking Create Product Feed again, you've essentially told Klaviyo to incorporate a dynamic selection of products in your newsletter. This can be customized based on various criteria like bestsellers, new arrivals, or items specific to a segment's interest. Once the product feed is set, it's time to hit Next and really get your hands dirty with the email editor. At this stage, focus on designing a newsletter that reflects your brand's identity. Use images, text, and colors that resonate with your audience. Remember, the goal is not just to inform, but to engage your subscribers. Keep your content concise, compelling, and relevant. Klaviyo allows for a high degree of customization, so take advantage of this to stand out in crowded inboxes. Whether it's through personalized greetings, tailored content based on subscriber behavior, or exclusive offers, making your newsletter feel personal can significantly boost engagement rates. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your newsletter, it's nearly time to send it off into the world. But don't rush. First, preview your newsletter to ensure everything looks as expected on both desktop and mobile devices. It's also wise to send a test email to yourself or your team for a final check. Catching any typos or design misalignments before your subscribers do is crucial. Finally, after carefully reviewing your newsletter and making sure it's perfect, it's time to schedule or immediately send your campaign. If you're not ready to send it out right this second, Klaviyo offers the flexibility to schedule your newsletter for a later date and time. This can be especially useful for timing your newsletter with specific promotions, events, or times when your audience is most active. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the creation of a newsletter in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate with your subscribers, fostering a stronger connection between them and your brand. Remember, the key to a successful newsletter is delivering value. Whether it's through informative content, entertaining stories, or exclusive offers, always aim to add something worthwhile to your subscribers' inboxes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial not only demystifies the process of creating a newsletter in Klaviyo, but also inspires you to launch your own email campaigns. Happy emailing!